Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you guys how I quick weaved this hair. So before I start this video, guys, I do want to let you know these were some quick braids. This was a real quick style. So I did not do my braids neat. I'm coming off of a silk press that kind of frizzed up because I ended up getting my hair wet or missed it on. So I just put like 5 big braids, slapped on a wig cap, and I am putting on that protective barrier. Now, I should have used the black cap, but like I said, I think I was just in such a rush, I wasn't even paying attention. So I did use this tan color, whatever cap, but if I were you, I would definitely recommend using a black cap for a style like this. I don't even think I've ever used anything but black on my clients unless they have blonde hair. So anyways, I'm applying a protective shield, guys. I kind of go heavy on it because I am the type of girl that do not want my hair underneath messed up. So, and I actually did put a ton of oil on my real hair before I braided it down just to add an extra level of protection. I know some people don't like to use oil, but I've done this forever and I've never had any of my clients complain about their quick weave didn't last. So I'm using this hair that I got from the beauty supply. It was like $29, and guys, if you're watching this video, don't buy this hair. Okay, it says it's tangle free. All it did was tangle. So just FYI, don't waste your coins. I would probably prefer like the purple pack or just, you know, whatever, but not this. For my quick weaves, I do not use my bundles because I just feel like it's kind of a waste, especially with good hair and glue. But if you want to do this in a sew-in method, I would definitely recommend Parker J's signature bundles, which you can find at parkerjsbeauty.com. But anyways, right now I am just gluing on the hair and blow drying it on the cool setting. And then at this point, you're going to start to curve it up because what you want to do is create a U shape so you can hide your tracks as well as hide the sides and camouflage the fact that there isn't any hair left out. Now, I do apologize for this video, guys. My ring light cut out in the middle of the video. And then right here, it is like a horseshoe shape, and I'm just filling in the top. I thought I had kind of leaned down a little bit so you can see it better, but I don't think you can. So off camera, I went ahead and I braided it down to the end, and then I secured the end. And right now, I'm just putting a bobby pin and wrapping. I slid the bobby pin in through the weft, and then now I'm just wrapping the weft neatly and tight around my ponytail. So I kind of sped this process up because it's literally self-explanatory. You're just going to keep wrapping until you get to the base of your ponytail. Once you're done wrapping, you go ahead and secure the base with some bobby pins just to make sure that your track doesn't come up. And then at this point, I take like a little piece of the hair and wrap it around. Had I done this at the shop, this style would have been much quicker. I typically take about an hour start to finish for this because most of the time I put my clients under the dryer. But since I did this at home, I had to use my hand dryer, so it took a little bit longer to get the mold. But this is the final result. Y'all let me know what you think of this. I'm going to be honest with y'all, it probably won't last me 2 weeks because the tangles of this hair are driving me crazy. But anyway, subscribe, comment, turn on your post notifications, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks for watching.